Okay, it's week 7, chapter 11, Child Mental Health. So you have the option between the textbook and the audio, and then you will still see the Arizona regulations and the Caring for Our Children standards. As far as your 2 assignments today, week 7 is a discussion board, chapter 11. When you click on this, you will see that it's a 3-part discussion board. And you will also see that there's a community factors. And so this is actually going to be using Flipgrid, which is kind of fun. So Kid Count Data Center is here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find a state. This is helping you with your key assessment. So you'll find a state, like for example, I'm going to choose Arizona. And then when I pull up Arizona, it's going to give me a bunch of demographic indicators. So it's going to tell me child population by gender, child population, and then it's 1-year estimates, 5-year estimates. And so it gives you a lot of information. A caveat to any sort of database is the data is only as good as the individuals who are reporting. So some areas may or may not have 100% accurate information if not everybody's reporting. For an example, when we look at the census, right, the individuals, everyone knows them as the individuals who come out and knock on their doors, but the information that we give the census helps us pull up information such as this, multi-generational homes, everything. So just kind of keep that with you. A lot of child population by race, adult population by race, children of immigrant families. So you might need some of this information, especially when you're trying to pull information for your key assessment on statistics. So keep that. It is a fun little assignment. The assignment is actually I apologize. Let me rephrase that. The assignment is actually to help you learn how to pull data, but then we want you to be able to see statistics in that aspect. So find data related to the area that you were raised is how we thought that you could kind of put it to your childhood. It's information that you are well versed in, and then you're going to choose one statistic related to the area of this course. Health, safety, nutrition, and fitness are the 3 areas. So you're just going to identify a statistic to one of those areas and make the connection. So if it's obesity statistics, you might want to stick to the nutrition or the fitness and make that tie. The cool thing about Flipgrid is it's just a new way, a different way of putting your information in the system and responding to your peers. So that information will be available to you, and a little video on how to respond will be added. Thank you.